in there, crunchy.
Yeah.
Yung bacon, tikman mo.
Bloody Mary. Breakfast, ha?
Never mind that. Kaya mo para tulog.
Cellphone ko pala.
Saan yung bacon?
Ano na ganit? Okay, cellphone ko baka
Wait, you're gonna do a roll later?
Spicy. It's here.
Where's the bacon?
Nandiyan na.
Inside.
Oh, bacon.
Yan ang bacon din nanay ko. Hindi siya hindi siya malambot. Crunchy pa rin.
Grabe.
Yeah.
May bacon yung Bloody Mary. Ngayon pa lang ako nakaano nito.
Bakit ang binedelivery mo ng bacon?
In the Sierra,
Hindi
that's
ko
very cheap.
alam.
Good shoes, cheap.
Yeah, I hear that. But it was,
Are you serious?
I gotta go there to outlet and then it's too far.
Okay.
Oh.
Dita said the share of the service now